Welcome back to the channel, me and Car Key. So in the last video, we did take off the F-150 badging that goes on the back of the truck. A lot of people didn't like that, but as I said, we did have plans for the back of this truck. And if you see my hat, RockyMountainGraphics.com, RockyMountainGraphics.com, you already know. Speaking of RockyMountainGraphics.com, they have all kinds of graphics for cars, for trucks, pretty much every vehicle you can think of. Dodge, Ford, Chevy, Nissan. They have all colors, black, white, pink, red, green, carbon fiber. They have matte colors, they have gloss colors. Check out their website. Tell them me and Car Key sent you. Speaking of RockyMountainGraphics.com again, this came in the mail. As you can see, there was an F-150 badging right over here. And the debadging process came out nice, and it did give it a clean look in the back, which I kind of do like. But we're about to change that. So here we have the black, matte black tailgate vinyl decal that goes right there, right across here in the middle. See this cutout here? It's supposed to go around the Ford emblem here. And what I like about this one is that it's, of course, it's matte black, and it's gonna match very well with this one. So as I was stating earlier, that's why we removed the F-150 decal, the F-150 badging that was here, so that we could put this graphic on the back. So speaking of the badging, so this also came in the package with the graphic, and it is the cutout for the F-150 badging that was on the tailgate previously. So the idea is that after you install the graphic on the truck, if you want to put your badging back on, you can stick this on the truck as a cutout so that you know exactly where your badging goes, and you can line it up easier, kind of as a template to put the badging back on, which is actually pretty awesome. All right, so it came with the instructions, and it also came with the instructions for putting the badging back on if you want to. And as it has on the picture, you tape the template, the pink template, you tape that on your truck so that you know exactly where you want it, and then you reinstall your badging that way. I don't know if I'm gonna do that, but it's good to have if you wanted to do that. It's really good to have. All right, so first step in the process is to clean it down. I cleaned it with soap and water first, then wipe it down with some rubbing alcohol. So the rubbing alcohol will help get any leftover dirt or any type of material that's left on the truck that you can't see. So it's good to use rubbing alcohol. Also good to use microfiber cloth. Step 2 is to make a wetting solution, which I already did. And it is water, Dawn dish soap, and rubbing alcohol again. So I'm gonna do a spray down the surface, and then we'll peel off the vinyl, and then we'll spray that down in the back, and then we'll put it on the truck. All right, just a tip. You can have some help doing this, like, you know, another person to help do this. It'd be very, very beneficial to do that. Have one person hold while you spray, and y'all peel and spray, peel, spray at the same time. Always use a flat surface and spray as you go. It's coming together, y'all. It's coming together. Well, the most important part of this whole graphic is actually right here. So you want it to be centered here in the middle. If it's centered in the middle, then it'll be centered everywhere else. So I have a card that I got from, I don't even know where I got this from, but I got a card wrapped inside of a towel, and I'm gonna squeegee the water out like this so that we don't scratch the graphic. Also, Tip, watch your fingernails. Please don't let your fingernails get anywhere near it, because it will scratch the vinyl. You will scratch the vinyl. As I said, the center here with the graphic is the most important part. So we're going to start here and work our way out. And one thing's funny, I watch a lot of YouTube videos. It's funny that everybody's taking graphics off of their trucks. I think I'm the only one putting them on. But I like this one. You squeegee most of the water out. What I'm noticing is that the graphic here is a little longer, and it was the same thing on the other side. It's a little bit longer than the tailgate, and I think that was on purpose. So no biggie, all you had to do is fold the tailgate down a little bit. It's pretty much just, first of all, make sure you squeegee all the water that you need to squeegee out, and then kind of just roll the graphic around like this. And I'm happy they did it this way. You know, it's a little bit more work, but I'm happy they did it this way, because when you close the tailgate and you see this little crack here, you don't see like where you cut the emblem. You'll see where it's just, you won't see anything. It'll just be folded around, and it's a much cleaner look. So I'm really happy they did it that way. Shout out to RockyMountainGraphics.com. See, I'm telling y'all need to check them out. Check them out. Matte Black tailgate graphic from RockyMountainGraphics.com. See, this is what I mean. I like the fact that this goes with that now. So you have two graphics that match, both matte black, both RockyMountainGraphics.com. Yeah, I like the way the truck's coming out. I think it looks good. Now, question, I need some advice. Should I put this back on? I think it would look good. Now, see, now that I put it up there, I think it would look good. I'm not exactly sure where it was. Probably about there. But I think it would look good because you still have, like I said, you have the Rocky Mountain Graphics sticker on here, which is the same color as both matte black. So I think that would look nice. We'll see, we'll see. For now, I like the clean look too. So for now, we'll keep it like this. All right, thanks for watching yet another video on the Me and Car Keys channel. I think the graphic came out amazing, y'all. I like it. I think it fits the truck very well. I love the matte black look of it. And it's nice because it breaks up the gloss and the silver. So you had a lot of silver. You got your silver gloss, you got silver gloss, you got gloss black here, you got silver up here, and you got your matte black in the middle to kind of break it up. So I like the way it came out. I think it looks amazing. And I think the truck's coming along, y'all. I can see the vision. There's a vision. I hope you see it. I can see it. So once again, shout out to RockyMountainGraphics.com. If you need any graphics for the vehicle, please check out their website. Tell them Me and Car Keys sent you. Tell them you saw it on my YouTube channel. Helps me out a lot. The tips I can give, take your time. Start, if you're gonna do this, start from the middle where the emblem is, start in the middle and work your way out in every direction. And be careful around the edges here, and also be careful around the edges here. Had a little issue where I had to roll it around the edge. Just take your time, be careful. Make sure you put a card inside of a towel so that you don't scratch it. Watch your fingernails, definitely watch your fingernails. So if you made it this far in the video, you watched the entire video, you might as well subscribe. Me and Car Keys. Leave me a comment, leave me a like. What do you think about this graphic? You like it, or do you think it looks better with just plain silver on the back? Let me know. Put it in the comments. And if you've ever done any graphics on your vehicle, tell me how it went. You know, tell me what you did, how it went. This is easy. You can do this at home, and that's what's amazing about it. Anybody can do it. I can do it. I'm probably the worst person to do graphics, but you can do it at home. It's easy. It was quick too. So thanks for watching this video. Till next time, appreciate it.